I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Gemini. First, you will need to access Gemini, either through your existing Google account or by downloading the dedicated application. It's important to ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. Once accessed, carefully review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy to begin your journey with Gemini. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, let's personalize your Gemini experience. You can easily adjust language preferences and select a voice that suits you best for all interactions. Next, customize your notification settings to ensure you receive only the most relevant alerts, keeping you informed without being overwhelmed. Finally, take a moment to set up your personal data and privacy controls, giving you peace of mind and enhanced security. Moving on, let's explore how to integrate Gemini with your other services. You can seamlessly connect it with various Google applications, such as Calendar and Gmail, to streamline your daily tasks. Additionally, explore a wide range of third-party integrations to significantly expand Gemini's capabilities and utility. Remember to grant the necessary permissions for smooth and secure data exchange between all your connected applications. To get the most out of your Gemini, here are some optimal use tips. Regularly update the application to ensure you always have access to the newest features and performance enhancements. When interacting, try using specific and clear prompts to receive more accurate and helpful responses. Lastly, remember to provide feedback. Your input is invaluable in helping to continuously improve Gemini's overall performance and functionality for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.